All right, it's going to be a quick demo of the interior painting cost calculator. You can get instant price estimates for any room. And what you're going to do here, I'm going to show you how to use this tool. If you want to check this out for yourself, links directly below in the video description box. So it's an interior painting cost calculator. Get a quick price range in under 60 seconds. First option is what are you painting? A single room, multiple rooms, or whole home? We're going to select single room. Home size or area being painted. So it gives you, put an estimate in of the square footage of the room. We'll leave it on 200 for this. You got a slider, you can select the square footage. Paint the ceilings option, no or yes. Trim and doors, none, basic trim, full trim and doors. Wall condition, good condition, minor patching, heavy prep and repairs. Select the option that suits you. Paint quality, contractor grade, mid-range, premium. Labor market, low cost area, average cost area, high cost area. And you select whatever. As you can see, this will update. Let's see here. High cost area is going to update. So we're going to go through this and kind of switch it up. So it does this from scratch. So we got a single room, home size 250 square feet. We'll put this up to 300. Paint the ceilings, no. Trim and doors, none. Wall condition, we'll just put good condition. Keep this simple. Paint quality, want the best paint. We're going to select contractor grade. Labor market, we're going to put average cost. And this updates in real time, so you're going to pay anywhere between $550 to $1,050 for a 300 square foot with mid-range paint, average area, labor cost right here. And if you want this installed on your site, if you're a contractor watching this video, all you got to do is click the button up top here, or actually at the bottom here. Get this calculator installed for me. I can personalize this for your particular website. If you run a painting business, you want this on your site, I can personalize it for you. So click that link. Read all about what I can do for your site, and I can have this up and running literally within a day if I get all the information I need, and 2 days at the max. So it's a quick process. So click that link down here to learn more. And if you're a homeowner, this is a nice little tool just to give you a quick, simple estimate. How much, a ballpark range of how much interior painting is going to cost. You want to hire a professional to come out and paint your home. So with that being said, check out the link below. Come on over. You can mess around with this tool. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.